What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Yo, honestly, if you only knew the amount of hate, bro, the amount of people that hit me up just to talk about the video that I posted last week, not even the whole video, just about the first 10 seconds. It was so unnecessary.
I'm feeling like Rock today.
I'm feeling like Biggie, got me feeling like Dre.
I'm feeling like Snoop today.
Jamming out to Timberland, let me put you in the game, look.
I always keep a snack on me. I know it's really unhealthy. It's like damn near 3 in the morning to get the creative juices flowing, you know? Today we're having twin snakes, you know? Like, I'm obsessed with gummy worms, so like these, like, they're right up my alley. We officially got the we got the NPC cam, so hopefully we can load up that footage right there. But right now we're working on some like new lo-fi. And then as you can see, I got a little bit of the rain hitting. It kind of eases in. I got the rain going throughout, and there's some like few splashes of like thunder in the background. Watch. Ah, damn. And it has a bunch of like sound bites from like some of my favorite movies scattered, and I think I've been working on it for the past like, I want to say like 4 or 5 days. I got like 6 DMs. You know what? I probably should read just so you guys could see, like, cause like personally I don't care. All right, I'm gonna read one. You fat. My bad. Hold on. You fat piece of. You're never going to get on Genius. You should just quit. I got 6 variations of that. But on the plus side, I had like 4 good comments. Like, people personally reach out to me and tell me that like I'm doing really good things. That type of support and positivity by far outweighs any negative remark that could be thrown in my DMs or in my comments or whatever. And honestly, just check this out. We got the iced coffee. Honestly, I'm not really sure what we're working on. And I guess the GoPro died. Nah, I'm not really feeling that. I don't know, you guys. I'm kind of lost on this. I feel like I've heard that somewhere. Okay, we can work with that. Alright, you know what? Let's start from scratch. Let's just scrap it. Let's scrap it all.
Day 2.
This is giving me like that lo-fi vibe, but it reminds me a lot of like this Nina Sky record from like back in the day. Oh man, what am I doing, bro? This just sounds garbage. Yo, never waste your time on a garbage ass beat. Rule number 1, bro. I feel like everything I'm making right now either sounds like Novocaine or Sunday. Oh man, I don't know, man. How do you make music, bro? Like what does making music even mean? Are we not young God? Okay, I don't know, like. Ooh, I like that. We're onto something right now. Ready? Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Yo, that is flames, bro. Let's get it. Look. Yo, that is. Jeez. Oh, did it crash? I swear on my life, if it crashed. Bro, no way. Are you serious right now? Oh my God. If it I don't even know what to say. Oh my god. And I have stuff in my eye, bro. I'm walking away, bro. I'm walking away. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. There's no point. Did it save? It's taking forever to load. It didn't save. I'm walking away. There's no point, bro.
Guess I ain't pay attention. I must have missed the lesson. I came equipped with the extendo. I forgot to mention. Thoughts I've been horrified. Regular like Mordecai. Been pumping on my kicks for Columbine since the age of 5. Wait, this doesn't sound like the last one, but it ain't been the same.